Here's how to change your region in Roblox. First of all, launch your web browser and go to roblox.com and log into your account. After that, you need to change the home in the URL by support. Write roblox.com/support and hit enter in your keyboard. Now, this will take you to the Contact Us page where you need to enter your contact information like your correct username, your first name, your email address, which is associated with your account. Also, confirm the email address that you just entered. And under the issue details, select the device that you're having problem on. Select the type of help category and select how to. Then under the subcategory type, select how to change my location. And here simply type a message stating your current country and the country your Roblox account is set to. For example, I live in Spain, but my Roblox account still shows incorrect country. Please update my location and then click on continue, and that's it. And send a message. Roblox will get back to you within 3 to 4 business days or even sometimes 24 to 48 hours and resolve your problem. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.